Hi, this is Teacher Mel and welcome again to the English class. So before we have our lesson today, let's have first the vocabulary of the day. Okay, the vocabulary of today is sling. Sling. Can you say it? Sling. Okay, let's spell together. S L I N G sling. Sling. One more time. S L I N G sling. Now look at the picture. Okay, meaning it is a flexible strap or belt used in the form of a loop to support. One more time. A flexible strap or belt used in the form of a loop to support. Okay, now let's have an example sentence. She has a sling on her elbow. She has a sling on her elbow. Okay, that is the vocabulary of today. And now it's time for our lesson. And our lesson for today, it's about the pronunciation using the S and L letters. Okay, so we have to make words using the S and L. Okay, so we have the letter S. The letter S, it makes the sound S. And the letter L, it makes the sound One more time. The letter S, it makes the sound S. And the letter L, it makes the sound O. So to combine together, we have su. Okay? Can you repeat? Su. The letter S, L, O. And to put together, it makes the sound su. Okay, let's try to have some words. Look at the picture. It is slot. 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 Now next, look at the picture. It is sleep. Sleep. Next, look at the picture. It is slippers. Slippers. Next, we have another picture. Slim. 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 Next, look at the picture. It is slug. Slug. And then the last one we have slide. Slide. Okay, let's do it one more time. Slot. Slot. sleep, sleep, slippers, slippers, slim, slug, slug, and the last one, slide, slide. Now that you know the correct pronunciation using the S and L sound, now let's go to page 6-7 on your book and let's read and write the SL sound. Okay, I'm going to read it and you are going to write the S and L and you have to read as well. Okay, so open your book on page 6-7. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Sloan the slut. Sloan the slut. Sloan the slut. This is Sloan. This is Sloan. She's a slut. She's a slut. Shh. She's sleeping. Shh. She's sleeping. When she wakes up, Sloan slowly. When she wakes up, Sloan slowly puts on her slippers. Puts on her slippers and slowly goes downstairs. And slowly goes downstairs. After breakfast, Sloan slowly walks to the park. After breakfast, Sloan slowly walks to the park. At the park, Sloan meets her friend. At the park, Sloan meets her friend. Slade the slug. Slade the slug. Sloan and Slade want to play on the slide. Sloan and Slade want to play on the slide. Sloan slides slowly down the slide. Sloan slides slowly down the slide. But Slade can't slide. But Slade can't slide. He crawls slowly down. He crawls slowly down the slide. The slide, leaving a trail of slime behind him. Leaving a trail of slime behind him. Alright, so I hope you have written the S and L on the reading on page 6-7. And now, this time, it's time to open your workbook on page 42 and 43. Let's have a sound. Let's say the sound one more time, the S and the L, and we have also the S and W. Okay, so S and L, it makes the sound sul, 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 sul. Okay, that is the sound for S and L. One more time. Sul. Okay, so you have to practice the S and the L sound. Sul. Okay, so you are going to complete the words and match the picture. So we have here on page 42, you have to write the S and the L sound and then match the correct picture. Also, for letter C, practice the S and L sound and S and W sound. Okay, so let's say the words, the sound one more time, and let's read the words together. So the S, it makes the sound S, and the L, it makes the sound O. So to combine together or put them together, it makes the sound Su. So for S and W, we make the sound for letter S, and W, W. So to put together, it makes the sound sw. S and L, sl. S and W, sw. Okay, now let's read the words. Slim, sleep, sling, slit, slot. One more time for S and L. Slim, sleep, sling, slit, slot. And now for S and W, we make the sound sw. So we have the first word, swim. 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 Sweep. 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 Swing. 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 Sweet. 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 Swap. 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 Okay, one more time. Swim. Sweep. Swing. Sweet. Swap. Okay, good. Now that you practice the S and L and SW sound, you are going to answer the letter D. Write the words under the pictures. So we have here 6 pictures, and you are going to write the correct words using the SL sound and the SW sound. And that would be your homework. Okay? So, on the next meeting, we will do another activity book on your workbook. So, this will be the end of our lesson today. So I hope you practice the correct pronunciation of S and L and SW beginning sound. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video. Goodbye everyone and keep safe.